Ihlangano ye-DA ibuze bona njengombana iSouth Africa isemrarweni wegezi nje uphungqongqotjhe wamabhizinisi wombuso uPrevin Gordhan kanti ithi umraro lo yinto ekufuze iqalelelwe beyithathelwa amagadanga abonakala kumsinya.
And that's why the response to a crisis of the magnitude of the electricity crisis in South Africa requires the urgency and the decisiveness and the focus of being treated like a wartime situation.
Steenhuisen ukhombela umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa bona abuye evakatshweni lakhe azokutjheja umraro wegezi lo. Umengameli njenganje usivakatshweni lombuso e-United Kingdom ubizwe yinkosi uCharles III.
Where is our president? Well, I'll tell you where he is. He's trotting down the Mall of London in a horse-drawn carriage on his way to have tea with the king. His country is finally collapsing under the weight of his own government and his failed policy choices of the last 3 decades.
Ihlangano le ithi yinye kwaphela indlela yokubiza abasisi eSouth Africa kuphakela kwegezi okuthembekileko.